Hello everyone, today I would like to show you some important conditions that you have to keep in your mind when you're actually going to use not only this strategy but also another strategy that you are looking for YouTube videos in different YouTube channels from other traders or from other investors. Okay, so let's see the chart and to understand what's going on and what's happening. Before using a strategy, I would like from you to close all of the indicators that someone show you, okay, and to see the channel, to see the chart in your time frame zone, uh, like that, okay. Just close these two. The first one that I would like to tell you is when you're actually going to use a strategy, you don't have to follow the strategy exactly as it is. So, I would like to tell you that some important conditions that you have to use when you actually open a trade in a long or a short position is that the resistance and support levels are much considerable for you to understand if a signal is based on a significant particular time of period on significant volume and you can actually make some profits. And here you are, I would like to show you some more for example from technical analysis issues that can help you. For example, it can be the flag patterns that have a main role for me because they can show you some important um, for some important good timing for you to open a trade, to do to eliminate as much as you can the risk that when you open a trade. Or furthermore, some consolidations are much important to also. And here you are, I would like to show you that the parallel channel, as important as consolidations too, are have significant role. And also the triangles, it could be one more from the technical indicators that you have to keep in your mind. Just do a screenshot to keep in your mind. And right now I would like to show you what I'm looking for and why I'm telling you all of that, okay? As you can see, here you are, we can actually draw a good horizontal line, okay? At this particular time of period from 10 July until now, 11 July, it can be actually one day, it can be also furthermore more days or more weeks. It depends on your time frame zone, okay? And we can actually confirm it with the line. And as we can see here, you have plenty of touches here. Here, the 10 July, it worked as a resistance level. Here, just a support level. It could break down. We had a good breakout here, and just test it again. And all of that has a main information for you to understand that this zone here, it could be much important for a trader to open or a close position, or to make a stop loss, or to make an order, and whatever else a trader would like to do, okay? Right now I would like to open these indicators that actually I show you in previous video, okay? So let's come here and understand what I'm looking for. Maybe you see all of these triangles and it can be it could be complicated and not provide you the efficiency that a trader can make enough profit, okay? So due to the reason that all of these triangles can be so many and could be burn your portfolio, I would like to show you that the effectively triangle can be when you actually see some of that for issues that I show you, some of these technical analysis information. And here you are, I show you the best one. This is the resistance and support level. And as we can see, if we are going to close this, okay, firstly we see the green lines and this green zone, okay? It as the first one that actually can help us to understand that something like that is enough well for us for a long position. After that, we can see that we actually this triangle opened at this particular time of period. So it's the second hint button for us to understand that this chart pattern can actually go to this uptrend, okay? And eventually we see this horizontal line to test it again at this level and to do this breakout. which is much important for you, because if something like that occurs in our analysis, it have much significant role for us to understand that, okay, right now it could be a good timing for us to open a position for this long-term position, okay? And for someone who will actually to have some confirmation, you can actually wait for this one. For example, there are plenty of traders that would like to take a confirmation, and I'm absolutely agree with that, because actually the price of the Euro JPY just came here and then just came again at this level, test this zone here, and then go in this uptrend. And as you can see, you can take advantage of 0.11%. And as I told you, if you are going to use a leverage from a different platform, because there are plenty of leverage, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 500, it depends on the risk that actually you would like to take. You can make enough profits, but not forget to put your stop loss. And here is the second much important course that actually I would like to show you, because all of this knowledge is much important. But don't forget to put your stop loss. And the stop loss right now, I would like to put it at this price here. Okay, exactly here. You can actually check it from the confirmation from the line, and it's enough well for us to support level here you are, and to put our stop loss here. But for example, I believe that there are plenty of times in all the traders that the price just touches your stop loss and burn your portfolio, close your position, you will lose money, and the price actually goes up and goes in the different way that actually you just think that maybe you can burn your portfolio. And you could make enough profits, and due to the reason that you put your stop loss, just close your position. For that reason, I recommend you to put your stop loss not exactly at this level, but some percentages down of that, okay? For example, at this zone here, it could be, for example, not enough so big percentage. Okay, you can close your position, for example, as you can see, at 0.4, 0.3% down of that, and it's enough portion for you to understand that maybe it could have a breakout, a breakdown, or a breakout or a breakdown, but it could be fake. So just put your mind at this particular time of period to see the chart if you don't want to put your stop loss, and make sure that all of the news, you are not going to expect some news at this particular time of period, since all the news can manipulate not only the forex exchange, but also some companies and some cryptos that can manage this currency, okay? Because you are maybe something like that can happen and burn your portfolio. So the stop loss is enough for us. It's a hint button for all of the traders, but just put it in the levels that not only all of the traders put at this level too. Some percentage down or in upside. It depends if you are going to open a long or a short position. And furthermore, I would like to tell you one more, which I believe that it's much important for people who actually have a day trade life, and to trade, okay, hold on, is to trade the same portion of your portfolio. And what I mean, it could be the second one, since I believe that it's much important for you to understand if you are going to make some profits. All of the traders believe that, okay, we find the best view, the best hint button for us to understand and to get rich as fast as we can, to make enough profits. But something like that cannot actually work, because when you are going to make enough profits and you are going to do your portfolio as bigger and bigger and bigger you can in future, one trade can actually burn all of your portfolio. And I don't need from you to do so rapidly moves to be rich in this rapidly time, okay? Just take your time. Keep in your mind that all of the trades and all of the strategies can actually burn your portfolio if you don't want to use all of this strategies that I show you, the resistance, the flag patterns, the consolidations, the triangles, since they have main role. And as you can see here you are, I can show you one more example, and you are going to check from the line 2 to show you it better, to understand what I mean when I actually show you that you have to make some confirmations from different tools, from technical analysis too. Okay, here you are, we see that we can actually draw a triangle. Okay, just close the indicators as I told you before, and to see the channel next. Okay, as you can see here, we have a good triangle, and furthermore we can draw a horizontal ray. Here you are. Okay, since we see plenty of times from this level just touch it. Okay, these levels. So we have already 2 hint buttons for us to understand that something can happen for the subside zone. Okay, after that we can actually open the other indicators too, and to see what they can provide us. For example, a good picture, what can actually confirm this our institutional that we believe from this price to go in this uptrend. Okay, intellectually you see that this green lines has already done this zone, and it's much help for us to understand that is the third hint for us. It's the third help for us to understand that this tool can actually bring us much closer to make enough profits. So it could be valid right now information right now to understand that it can go at this upside. Furthermore, you can see this triangle that is the fourth actually information for us to understand that this content is enough. The odds from this trade right now, it's enough well for us to do this uptrend. Okay, so the odds is for us, and the probability is much higher if you are going, for example, to open a trade at this blue triangle without any confirmations, without any triangles or consolidation or something that divergences, triangles, and whatever else it can be. So if you are going to open a position here, what I could do is to open a long position when actually we had a good breakout, or you can wait for this confirmation to test again this line here, and to open a position at this particular time of period. I put my stop loss some percentage down of this horizontal ray. The reason I told you that it can be manipulated enough easy from whatever platform you can use, and to make, as you can see, enough profits. You can close your half of your portfolio at this particular time of period, since it could work as a horizontal ray, but also you can use and to take advantage in all of these advantage. 0.18%, it's enough well percent for someone who actually use the levers I told you again. Okay, so I would like to show you some more strategies in future with different time frames, with different institutions, with different, for example, reliable indicators too, different strategies that you can use with, for example, in the 15 time frame, 1 hour time frame. But never forget that all of these scenarios can help you if you are going to use all of these that actually I show you. The resistance, the first one and the second one, you have to keep this in your mind, okay, to not burn your portfolio if you are going to have enough profits, and to believe in yourself with all of these technical analysis tools. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe our channel to support us. See you next video. Goodbye.